How to make all TikTok videos private at once. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to make all the TikTok videos private at once, here is how you can do it. First of all, open your TikTok profile. Once that is done, tap on the profile name which is on the bottom right corner and then on the three dots or the three lines on the top right corner. Head over to settings and privacy and then tap on Activity Center, which is under Content and Display. Now that you do so, you will see different options. Scroll down to see the option of Manage Post Visibility. Tap on it and you will see all of the videos that you have posted. Either select specific video or tap select all, which is on the top left corner, to choose all the videos. Now you can change the visibility by tapping on the bottom of the screen, setting the visibility into only me and tapping update to confirm the changes. So now all the videos will be private and visible to you only. That's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.